Hi everybody, my name is Andy with etrailer.com, and today we're taking a look at Water Dragon's underwater white LED light. If you are looking to add an underwater light or replace an underwater light to your boat, this might be a good option for you to consider. Let's take a closer look at this light. Now, this LED underwater light has, as you can see, 3 diodes, and they are white in color, and they're going to provide a bright white light for your boat. Let me give you an idea of just how bright these lights are. I'm going to turn on my power here, and as you can see, it's very bright, those 3 LEDs, and I'm going to turn the lights off here in my studio just to kind of give you a better idea of the light that it throws out. And then let me go ahead and give you a wide view here. And as you can see, it really does do a great job in lighting up my table. And then this is behind me, the white wall behind me, not necessarily a very flattering profile of me. And then let me just go ahead and kick my lights on here in the studio. And you can still see how bright it is with all of my studio overhead lights on. So again, these are going to provide you quite a bit of light. I'm going to turn this off here. Those LEDs are premium LEDs, and they are going to be long lasting, and they're going to resist vibration, and they're going to give you 1500 lumens on that light output. Now, these white LEDs are sealed in a waterproof housing, and this lens here is clear, and it's going to be impact resistant, so it's going to be very durable. The circuit board inside is of a military grade construction, so again, it's going to put up with a lot of punishment, and the urethane potting is going to offer better protection than the common epoxy potting in controlling the heat transfer inside the light itself. Speaking of heat management, this does have thermal protection and safeguards against overheating. And this housing here is a durable aluminum housing, and then it has a stainless steel cover. It's a 316 stainless steel cover. That's going to make it more resistant to pitting and corrosion. Now, this light is going to be compatible with 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems. It is a surface mount installation. It is important to note that it does not include mounting hardware, so you would have to supply that for your installation locally. And it does, of course, hardwire to wherever you're going to be installing this. The white wire will be your power, and the black wire will be ground. Let me go ahead and give you some measurements here. I'm going to keep that cover on. Grab my ruler here. And looking at the overall length of this light, we're going to be sitting right at about a little over 4 inches long, about 4 1/8 inches long. And in regards to the width, it kind of, flares out here just a little bit. We're going to be sitting almost about 1.5 inches wide altogether, about 1.5 inches wide. And in regards to this thickness, we're going to be sitting, line that up here a little bit for you, maybe right at about 5/8 of an inch in the overall thickness. The distance between the mounting holes here, line this up here for you. We're going to be sitting right at about 3¼ inches on those mounting holes, the distance there. Again, this light output is going to be 1500 lumens. The input voltage is 9 volt to 30 volt. And the power draw is going to be 1.08 to 1.32 amps. The wire length here, I have it bundled up here, is going to be 36 inches long of the included wire that's going to be in the light. And this does have a limited lifetime warranty. Now again, this is these are going to be white LEDs in this light. If you're looking for a different color, we do offer the blue option of this light. You can find that on our website, item number TN22ZR. We also have the green option of this light. You can find that on our website, TN54RR. Well, that's going to conclude our look today at Water Dragon Underwater White LED Light. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.